Good morning, students of class 12. Well, today I am going to do carbon resistors. First, I would like to give a short introduction. You may take out your exercise copy and start writing whatever I am dictating. Resistors are components in an electric circuit which offer resistance or opposition to the flow of current in the circuit. These resistors may have resistances ranging from a few ohm to millions of ohm. These resistors are of various types. The most common types are wire wound resistors and carbon resistors. These may be fixed type, that is having non-variable resistance, and variable type, that is their resistances can be changed. The wire wound resistors are made in such a way that are inductance free. They are usually bigger in size than carbon resistors but are more reliable and stable. They have poor response at high frequency. The carbon resistors are of fixed resistance and made of carbon enclosed in a ceramic cylinder with wire leads attached to its ends. In electronic circuits, resistors having accurate resistances are required. Carbon resistors are very small in size and it is difficult to mark the values of resistances on them. The values of the resistances of the carbon resistors are marked by 4 color bands pointed on the bodies of the carbon resistor. The value of the resistance and its percentage accuracy is determined from standard color code. The color code for carbon resistor is given in the table. Please write it down whatever I said just now, and please copy down this table. Now children, to remember the value of color coding used for carbon resistor, various sentences are used. One of the most widely used is given on the board and it is explained how to apply it. B.B. Roy, Great Britain, very good wife, wearing gold silver necklace. Please copy this down. Okay students, now I will teach you the method of finding value of resistance of carbon resistor from color coding. You see, the color of the first strip from the end indicates the first significant figure of resistance in ohm. The color of the second strip indicates the second significant figure of resistance in ohm. The color of the third strip indicates the multiplier, that is the number of zeros that will follow after the previous two significant figures. The color of the fourth strip indicates the tolerance limit of the resistance or percentage accuracy of the resistance. Please copy down these points. Well students, I have given an example. Let a carbon resistor has first strip blue, the second strip green, the third strip red, and the fourth one be silver. Then first blue will be 6 from the table, second green will be 5, third red 10 to the power 2, and fourth silver will be plus minus 10%. That is, the resistance of the resistor is 65 into 10 to the power 2 plus minus 10%. Please copy this down. Now children, I will explain to you what is shunt. First I would like to give you some introduction. You can copy it down. Many electrical devices such as a galvanometer allows only small current through them, and the instrument may get damaged if a large current passes through it. To protect the instrument from such damage, A low resistance is connected parallel to the instrument to divert major portion of the current through this path of lower resistance. A resistance used in this way is called a shunt. Now students, you have to draw this figure which you can see, and you also have to write down this note which I have written just beside the figure. In the figure is shown a galvanometer of resistance G to which a shunt of resistance S is connected in parallel. The main current I is divided into two parts. One part IG, now G will be subscript, passes through the galvanometer, and the remaining part I minus Ig, which is equal to Is, S will be subscript, passes through the shunt. At the common junctions A and B, the potential difference is given by VA minus VB equal to Ig into G equal to Is into S, which is equal to I minus Ig S. Therefore, Ig equal to S by S plus G into I, or Is equal to G by G plus S into I. Please write this down. Now children, I have given a numerical based on color coding of carbon resistor. Please copy this down. A voltage of 5 volt is applied across a color coded carbon resistor with first, second and third rings of brown, black and red colors. What is the current flowing through the resistor? We have brown equal to 1, black equal to 0 and red equal to 10 to the power 2 if you follow the table. Therefore, resistance will be equal to 1, 0 into 10 to the power 2, which is equal to 10 to the power 3 ohm. Now what is the voltage? The voltage is equal to 5 volt from Ohm's law. We have I equal to V by R. How much is V? 5. And how much is R? 10 to the power 3. That means 5 into 10 to the power minus 3